When it comes to insurance, people have different requirements when it comes to their cover. The different levels of cover allow you to tailor your insurance to your specific needs. Some factors that may impact your level of cover could be the value of your car, where you live, how often you drive, your overall budget, and the likelihood of you having an accident or incident. The options that you have for your insurance cover are third party only, third party fire and theft, and comprehensive cover. Some insurers may not offer every option. In this video, we will go over what to consider when choosing your cover, third party only cover, third party fire and theft cover, and comprehensive cover. So firstly, what to consider when choosing your level of cover. The value of your car. More expensive cars can cost more to repair, so higher levels of cover may be worthwhile. What is your budget for premiums? Make sure you can afford the cost of your insurance. It may be worth shopping around to find somewhere that offers the level of cover you need at your budget. What is your driving frequency? If you are driving or practicing regularly, higher levels of protection may be necessary as there is a higher chance for accidents or incidents. What is your risk tolerance? If you choose a higher excess, your premium may be lower, but you will have to pay more if you make a claim. On the other hand, a lower excess means less to pay if something goes wrong, but usually results in higher premiums. And finally, add-ons and extras. Optional add-ons like breakdown cover or windscreen protection may only be available on higher levels of cover or by setting up separate cover. If these are a must for your policy, you may need to opt for a higher level of cover. What is third party only cover? Third party only is the most basic and minimum legal requirement for car insurance in the UK. It covers damage caused by the insured driver to other vehicles, property and people. Third party only does not cover the insured driver or the vehicle. If an accident occurs where the insured driver is at fault, third party only will pay out for damage and injury caused to other people, but not for damage and injury caused to the insured driver. So what are the pros of third party only cover? It may be cost effective. Third party only cover is typically the cheapest option for car insurance. It is a legal requirement. Having at least this level of cover is essential if you want to drive legally on public roads. And it protects others. Third party only cover provides protection for damage caused by the insured driver to other people's vehicles, properties, or for their injuries. So what are the cons of third party only cover? It is limited protection. This policy only covers damage caused to other people and their property. It won't cover damage to your own car or any injuries sustained by you. You have no protection against theft or fire. This policy does not provide any protection against theft or fire damage to your vehicle. There are no add-ons. No add-ons can be included with this type of policy, which limits your options, and it may have a higher cost long term. This is because if you're involved in an accident, you will be liable for any damage to your own car. So who is third-party cover suitable for? Overall, third-party only cover can be a good option for drivers who are looking for the minimum legal requirement and want to keep costs low. What is third-party fire and theft cover? Third-party fire and theft cover is a type of car insurance that provides a little extra cover. It covers damage caused by the insured driver to other people, their vehicles or their property, along with covered for the insured vehicle against fire or theft. If the insured vehicle is stolen or damaged due to fire, this type of policy can provide compensation for the repairs of the value of the vehicle. However, it will not cover injury to the insured driver or the vehicle in an accident. Third-party fire and theft cover is often a mid-level insurance option, offering a balance between affordability and coverage. So what are the pros of third-party fire and theft cover? It offers additional protection. This policy offers more cover than third party only, as you are protected against fire and theft. It may be more affordable. Third party fire and theft cover may be more affordable than comprehensive cover. It can be lower cost. If the insured vehicle is stolen or damaged due to fire, this type of policy can save drivers from paying expensive repairs or replacement costs. So what are the cons of third-party fire and theft cover? You have limited protection. This policy only covers damage caused by the insured driver to other people's vehicles, properties or injuries, as well as fire and theft to the insured vehicle. It does not cover the insured driver, the vehicle in an accident, or any other types of damage. There are no add-ons. There are no additional benefits or add-ons included in this type of policy. You may have higher premiums. This policy may be more expensive than third-party only cover. So who is third-party fire and theft suitable for? Overall, third-party fire and theft cover can be a good option for a driver who wants more protection than third-party only cover but don't want to pay for comprehensive cover. And finally, what is comprehensive cover? Comprehensive cover offers the highest level of protection. It covers damage caused by the insured driver, damage to the insured vehicle, and any injuries to the insured driver regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive cover also offers protection against other damage such as theft, fire, vandalism, or damage from severe weather conditions like floods or storms. This type of policy typically allows additional add-ons such as personal accident cover, breakdown cover, and windscreen cover. So what are the pros of comprehensive cover? It offers extensive protection. Comprehensive cover offers the highest level of protection that you can get. You can have additional benefits. Comprehensive cover typically includes additional benefits or add-ons such as personal accident cover, breakdown cover, or windscreen cover. You often get higher payouts. If the insured vehicle is written off or stolen, comprehensive cover provides higher payouts than third-party only or third-party fire and theft cover. And you have flexibility. Comprehensive cover can be tailored to suit the driver's individual needs and budget, as you can choose different levels of excess, optional extras, and coverage limits. What are the cons of comprehensive cover? You often have higher premiums. Comprehensive cover may be more expensive due to its extensive coverage. It is not for everyone. For drivers with an older or less valuable car, comprehensive cover may not be cost effective, as the cost of the insurance may exceed the value of the vehicle. There is limited coverage for personal items. Comprehensive cover may not cover personal items that are stolen from the vehicle. And excess costs. If the driver needs to make a claim, they may need to pay an excess fee, which may be expensive. So, who is comprehensive cover suitable for? Comprehensive cover is the most extensive protection and offers peace of mind for drivers, but potentially at a higher cost. This type of cover may be best if you drive a lot, have an expensive car, or if you are less confident at driving and more likely to have an accident. That is all of the basics of the levels of cover. Make sure you are reading all the insurer information and understand what cover you and your vehicle needs. If you are a learner driver looking for more information, consider subscribing to see future videos. Thank you for watching and safe driving.